Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I've got this item on this side and it says Pubjoy Mint Limited, Pubjoy Mint Limited 1985. That is the date of the coin on this, in this particular here we got Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You have at the bottom here you have a biplane taken off, and you have another plane with a family and parcels being put on board. That's what's on this coin here. We have a plane being loaded, we have a biplane in the air, we have Merry Christmas. And if you have a look, we have the coin there that comes through, and then we have the thing, but we can't see the reverse of the coin. We can't see the obverse of the coin, which is a shame. This was a Christmas card that was manufactured in 1985. It has all its bits in there. You have the certificate to say it's the Christmas coin from the Isle of Man, and it is limited to 30,000 in this particular presentation format. The mintage is there, the 30,000. You also get several different languages saying Merry Christmas, I believe. So if we bring this down and we try and zoom in a little bit for you, here's the actual coin. You have Christmas going around the top, you have the value of 50p at the bottom. Here we have a biplane in the air, and here we have a single winged aircraft with people around it, a family of some description, and you've got a few boxes and packages being loaded onto the plane. Again, this is another one of the larger 50p's, and they were produced by the Pubjoy Mint for the Isle of Man. I have no idea whether this circulated or not as a coin. I can't find any information about circulation, mintage or anything like that. So this is another coin that seemed to be going around during the time of the height of the Isle of Man coins having transported some system on them. I do like this one. I do even have, I'll just bring this up a little bit, a very tatty envelope that came with it. Not ideal, but there you go. You can't have everything, can you? And I think here we have some sort of damage. If I just widen it out, sorry. Here we have, looks as if the envelope is stuck to the actual card itself, so which is unfortunate, but having said that, I'm very happy to have this coin in my collection. There's only 30,000 of them minted with this particular format on it, so it's quite a low mintage coin. What do you think of this? Would you want it in your collection? I'm very happy to have it in mine. So that ends my thing. Tell me down below what you think of this coin and whether you'd want it or not in your collection. As I said, I finished the review of this coin now. So if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. As I said, during December I'm doing one video, a minimum of one video for each day of the 31 days of December. I set this task for myself and I hope very much to be able to complete it, and hopefully there'll be some people out there who haven't yet subscribed who enjoyed me doing this. In the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-ra now.